Hi students, in the video we will see a problem, example 11.15. Let x be a random variable denoting the lifetime of an electrical equipment having probability density function. So small f of x is given here. Find the value of k, distribution function in the sense capital F of x, p of x less than 2, calculate the probability that x is at least 4 unit of time, p of x is equal to 3. This is what the question. So small f of x kuduthirukku. First you have to find the value of k. Small f of x enna form la kuduthirukku, continuous ah kuduthirukku. So first enna seyanum, since f of x is a PDF, what is the condition? Integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. You have to use this condition to find k. Okay, now look at this limit. X greater than 0 na enna limit? 0 to infinity na artham. Marandradha, x greater than 0 na 0 to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Okay. Now, integral 0 to infinity, what is f of x given? K into e power minus 2x dx is equal to 1. K நாம integral விட்டு வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம். e power minus 2x integrate பண்ணால் e power minus 2x divided by minus 2, the limits are 0 to infinity which is equal to 1. Whenever you apply the limits, denominator la ஏதாவது number இருந்தா, you please take the denominator outside the bracket, then apply the limits. அதுதான் உனக்கு confusion இல்லாம இருக்கும். minus 2 நான் வெளியில எடுத்துட்டேன். e power minus infinity minus e power 0 is equal to 1. e power minus infinity is 0. Already we know what is e power 0, that is 1. So minus into minus, that is plus k by 2 is equal to 1, which implies k is equal to 2. So I have found out k. First part is over. The value of k is 2. Now what is f of x? F of x is equal to, simply write, instead of k you put 2. 2 into e power minus 2x when x is greater than 0 and 0 when x is less than or equal to 0. Okay. Now the second part is distribution function. How to find the distribution function? Whenever you want to find the distribution function, you make the number line and find out the interval. X greater than 0. So 0 is the only number here. So in the interval na paatha podum, interval x less than or equal to 0 paakano, x greater than 0 paakano. Now x less than or equal to 0. First interval la x irukku vechikalam. X is here. So this is integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. What is the value here for x less than or equal to 0? The value is 0. Simply you write 0 here. Now x greater than 0. X greater than 0 in the sense x lies in this interval. That is, you again draw the number line. That will be very clear for you. அப்படி போட்டேன்னா உனக்கு ரொம்ப கிளியரா இருக்கும். இன்டர்வல் பிரிச்சிட்டேன், x இப்போ இங்க இருக்கு. அப்ப வேல்யூ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? This is capital F of x is equal to integral minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus integral 0 to x. X வந்துட்டனால this function becomes f of u du. Now this f of x, capital F of x is equal to, the first part already we have found out, that is 0 plus integral 0 to x. F of u என்னது? x 0 க்கு மேல இருந்துச்சுன்னா the function is 2 times e power minus 2 u du. Variable மட்டும் தான் நான் மாத்திருக்கேன், function நான் மாத்தல. 2 is a constant, take it outside. Now while integrating e power minus 2u, again and again the same integral தான் வரப்போகுது. அதனால நீ ஏற்கனவே பண்ண integration அப்படியே எழுதிக்கலாம். That is nothing but e power minus 2u divided by minus 2. The limits are x and 0, which is equal to, இந்த minus 2 வெளியில எடுத்துட்டு limit apply பண்ண சொல்லிருக்கேன். So this is minus 2 by 2 e power minus x, u க்கு பதிலா x போட்டா e power minus 2x minus e power 0. Okay, now 2 gets cancelled. Minus ulla poyila first term minus ஆயிரும், second term plus ஆயிரும். First term is minus e power minus 2x. This becomes plus 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. So the answer is 1 minus e power minus 2x. So functional formula எழுதணும்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். What is capital F of x here? Capital F of x is, what is the first value? That is 0. The second value is 1 minus e power minus 2x. The limits are, here it is x less than or equal to 0 and here it is x greater than 0. This is what capital F of x. Now the third one. What is the third one? Third one is p of x less than 2. This is nothing but capital F of 2. Capital F of 2. 2 lies in this interval. So simply you can substitute, instead of x put 2 here. I get 1 minus e power minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 1 minus e power minus 4. This is what p of x less than 2. Now the fourth part is, what is the fourth part? Probability that x is at least equal to 4 units of time. At least equal to 4. At least equal to 4 in the sense what? At least 4 na eppadi eludhanum? That is p of x greater than or equal to 4. At least 4 na greater than or equal to 4. But continuous function irukanaala nalla greater than or equal to eppadi maathikanum? 1 minus p of x less than 4 nu maathikalam, which is nothing but 1 minus capital F of 4. Capital F of 4 ennadhu? 4 in the interval la irukku, so you have to substitute here. So 1 minus bracket 1 minus e power minus 2 into 4, which is nothing but 1 minus 1 plus e power minus 8. 1 gets cancelled, so the answer is e power minus 8. This is what p of x greater than or equal to 4. Okay, now this is the fourth one. Now coming to the last one, which is fifth. In case of x is equal to 1 is asked here. P of x is equal to a, it is given as, it is equal to 3. For a particular value of x in the continuous distribution, the answer is 0. Already we know for a continuous function, the particular value ku probability kandupidicha adu enadhu 0 nu nama ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கோம். So p of x is equal to 3 is equal to 0. Okay, thank you students. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க மறக்காம. என்னுடைய அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோஸினுடைய நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு வரும். இங்க you get benefited. ரொம்ப ஈஸியாகவும் உங்களுக்கு புரியுற மாதிரி நான் நடத்தியிருக்கேன்னு நான் நம்புகிறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.